I choose this as a February dish. Since I moved here, I found out there is a popular cake as Persian Love Cake, which I think most Persians don't have any idea about this cake, which is popular out of Iran as a love cake. And in some position, when people want to show their love, they bake this cake. And because of that, I was thinking maybe as a February dish we can bake this cake, because Valentine is in February. Also, my partner birthday is in February. So, what dish would be better than this Persian love cake? But at the first, we need to clean this mess. Let's start baking, and during baking I want to tell you the story of Persian love cake. At the first, don't forget to turn on your oven. Believe me that half of Persian people don't know about this story. I don't know why this is popular out of Iran but not that much popular in Iran. By the way, once upon a time in ancient Persian kingdom there was a young woman who fell deeply in love with a prince. He was handsome, noble and kind, but he had never noticed her. Determined to win his heart, she turned to what she knew best: baking. She gathered the finest ingredients: rose water to whisper love, golden saffron for warmth, cardamom for mystery, and almonds for strength. She poured her heart into a cake, believing that with each bite he would feel the love she had for him. On a golden train, she presented the cake to the prince. As he took the first bite, the sweet aroma filled the air. And for a moment, time seemed to stand still. Some say he fell in love instantly, enchanted by flavors and the love woven into each bite. Others say despite the magic in the cake, his heart belonged to another, leaving the baker with nothing but the taste of bittersweet longing. And so the Persian cake was born, a cake of love, hope, and touch of longing. A reminder that love, like the flavors of life, can be sweet, warm, and sometimes just a little bit bittersweet. I wish I could transfer the smell. Oh, I fell in love with it. Now it needs a glazing that's created by the sugar powder and the orange juice. Let's make it and pour it on top of it and design it with rose flowers, dried rose flowers, and some pistachio powder, and with that glazing.